Okay students, today I am going to start a new topic called functions, important part for calculus. And also this topic is also important, difficult, functions. Actually functions is a special type of relation. A function is a special type of relation. Already relations concept completed. So the definition of relation is defined as every subset of Cartesian product of two sets is called a relation from that first set to second set. For example, A and B are two sets. A is given as, for example, 1, 2, 3, and here B is given as, for example, 4, 2. Okay, now you can write A cross B. A cross B containing 6 elements. Those are 1, 4 and 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 2. Take any subset of A cross B that is said to be the relation from A to B. One of the relations R1 is taken as 1, 4 and 1, 2. So this is one of the relations from A to B. So function is also a special type of relation. What is it special? I will explain through this example only, students. For this R1, if you write arrow diagram, I can write this as arrow diagram. Here R1, here A set, here B set, here 1, 2, 3, here 4, 2. What happened in this relation? 1 is paired with 4 and 1 is paired with 2. This is called a relation. This is the relation from A to B. Okay, you take another one R2, another one you take R2. 1, 4, yeah, 2, 4 and 3, 2. So this is another relation. So draw the arrow diagram for the relation. Say A to B, I can say that is R2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So 1 is paired with 4. That's why 4 is called image of 1 under this relation. 2 is paired with 4 and 3 is paired with 2. Okay, students. So yeah, in another one also I want to take R3 equal to 1, 4 students and 2, 4. This is also relation from A to B. For this also I want to draw arrow diagram. For example, this A, this is B and R3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1 is paired with 4 and 2 is paired with 4. Okay. So what is important thing is, this is a relation from A to B, this is also relation, this is also relation. You know that there exists 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 means what, Nana? 64 relations from A to B. Among 64, this is one of them. This is another one. This is another one, like that. So what is function? When you called a relation is a function or functional relation. Functional relation or function are same, a special type of relation. This is not called functional relation. This is called functional relation. This is not called a functional relation. A functional relation is a relation in which all the elements of first set used up only once. All the first set elements are used up only once. See here 1, 2, 3. So first set is 1, 2, 3 and all the elements first set are used up only once. Only once. 1 is used only once, 2 is used only once, 3 also used only once. Such relation is called functional relation. That's why what is R2? This relation is called functional relation from A to B. See this one. All the elements are not used up now here. All elements are not used up. 2 and 3 are not used up. That's why this is only relation, is not a functional relation. Okay, students. For example, R3 I will write one more added pair I will include, Nana. That is 1, 2 and 3, 4 also I will include. 1, 2 and 3, 4 also I include. Okay. So what is R3 also relation from A to B only? Why now I can conclude that this is not a functional relation. Why? Because all the elements of A must and should used up. That is one condition, and only once. So all the elements of first elements are used up. Okay, but only once is not satisfying, because 1 used 2 times. 1 is paired with 4 and 1 is paired with 2, such relation is not treated as a functional relation. Okay, students, listen. A relation is said to be a functional relation. All the elements of first set used up only once. All the elements of first sets are used up only once. Such relation is called functional relation or simply called function from one set to another set. Now I can say that R2 is a function from A to B. I can write symbolically R2 maps A to B, means R2 is a relation from A to, so R2 is a function from A to B. Actually, every relation is not become a function, every function is a relation only. So R2 is a relation as well as function. R1 only relation, not a function. R3 only relation, not a function. That's why every function is a relation and every relation need not become a function. Students, important thing. A relation is said to be a functional relation if all the elements of first set are used up only once. Okay, another words I also can define. If a relation is said to be a functional relation if no two ordered pairs having same first component. A relation is said to be functional relation. All the elements of first set are used up and no two ordered pairs having same first component. See here 1, here 1. So 1 is paired with 4, 1 is paired with. Such relation is not treated as functional relation. This is the definition. Okay. Students, let's see here. Function is the definition 1. I can say definition 1. Or in other words, function as a relation. Function as a relation. Okay. A relation f from a set A to set B is said to be function if every element of set A has only one image in set B. In other words, a function f is relation such that no two ordered pairs in the relation has the same first component. What I explained is here, students, listen. X paired with y. Y is called image of x and x is called pre-image of y. Already explained. So what definition saying that a relation f, for example, this f is a relation from set A to B, is said to be a functional relation or function if every element, all the elements should use, every element of A has only one image in set B. X should have y, for example, z is given, z should have y, and for example, p is given, p paired with L. So p is paired with L, x is paired with y, z is paired with y. So f is called a relation from A to B. Then I can call a functional relation from A to B. So this is satisfying given condition. A relation of from A to B is said to be function if every element of set A has only one image in the set B. So what is the meaning of that? All the elements of first set should be used up only once. In other words, you can say that a function f is a relation such that no two ordered pairs in the relation has the same first component. So this is the first definition. This is the definition of a function by using a definition of relation. Okay. Now I want to explain second definition, important definition. Function as mapping. Definition 2. Function as mapping. A and B are two non-empty sets. Then a mapping from A to B is a rule which assigns to each member of A to a unique member of B. This is important. Each member of A to a unique member of B. Such mapping is called a function. Mapping, function, correspondings all are same. Students, observe Nana. This is one set. This is another set. This is set A. This is set B. Okay. A and B are two non-empty sets. These have some elements. These are also some elements. Then a mapping from A to B is a rule. According to some rule, we want to pair the elements of A with the elements in B, which assign to each member. All the elements of A should be used up and to unique B. So to unique B means, say for example, X, Y, Z given, A, B given. So each element of A should have a unique image. So X have image A. Y has image A. Means what is the meaning of that? Y has only one image, that is A. Y has x and y both are having image A only, but what y sense, what you can say that y having only one image A. For example, y also paired with B, what I can say, y has two images A and B. Y has two images A and B. What is saying that unique image in B, unique image. That's why y is paired with A, y is paired with B, then this not become functional relation because y has two images. Okay, that's why according to the definition, this element should have only one image. So A is image for x and y, that is not big problem. But what is the image of x? A. There is no another image exists in B for the element x. Similarly, there is no another image for y in the set B. Okay. So this is a relation from A to B. Now I can call this a functional relation. So this second definition is important. Nana. Once again listen. A and B are two non-empty sets. Then a mapping, or sometimes called function, mapping, corresponding, all are same meanings. Nana. From A to B is a rule, which assigns to each element of A to a unique member of B. Okay. So x is paired with A, y is paired with A, z is paired with B. So f is here said to be a function from A to B. For example, one more element is taken as P, for example. Now this is not function from A to B. This only relation, all the elements of A are not used up. Okay, P is not used up. That's why it is not a function. Just it is a relation. Now it is become a function. All the elements of first set are used up only once. Understood? So the second definition is important. Students, listen. For example, one more element C is there. No problem. This is also function from A to B only. So C doesn't have any pre-image in A. That is not big problem. All the elements of A are used up only once. So it is a said to be function from A to B. Important thing, students. The set A is called domain of the function. Domain of the function is A. Set B, total set B is called codomain. F equal to B. Next, range of F. Range of M, set of images. A is the image of x and y, and B is the image of Z. C doesn't have an image. Here A and B are images. No, these two are images. That's why set of images is called range. So what is the range means? I can say that set bracket A comma B. So range means set of images. Okay. So observe, Nana, what is the important thing? Set A, B and B. What is the relation between these two? Set A, B is a part of B only. No, B means what? A, B, C only. No, I will write here A, B, C only. So what is the meaning of that? Range is a part of codomain. I will write range is a part of, means subset of codomain. Okay, Nana? Domain, codomain, range. Students, listen. F is a function from A to B. Set A totally is taken as domain of the function. Set B is totally is taken as codomain of the function. In set B, some elements are there, which are the images for the elements of A. Those are set of those elements is called its range. So range is always subset to codomain. For example, if C not there, so what happened here? Range and codomain both are same. Okay. So this is about domain and codomain and range of the function. Okay, students. Notation, notation important. The notation F maps, we read as F maps, or x is a function from x to y, or F maps x to y, or F is a function from x to y, okay. The notation F maps x to y means that F is a function from set x to y. X is called domain of F and y is called codomain of F. So given an element small x belongs to x, there is a unique element y belongs to y, then it is related to x. The unique element y to which f relates to x is denoted by f of x, and it is called f of x or value of x at x or the image of x under f. What is given? Again I want to explain, students here. A and B are two sets. X belongs to A, or set xy given over here, okay, xy. Small x belongs to A, small y belongs to B. X is paired with y, So what here given? The meaning is here y is called image of x under the mapping F, under the rule F. Okay, that is the meaning. Or instead of y, what you can write? Y equal to f of x. That's all. So how can you read the value of f at x is y, or f of x is y? Okay, or y is called image of x. Several ways you can read down. Okay. Next, the set of all values of f of x, set of images I can say. The set of all values of f of x taken together is called range of f, or image of x under f. Symbolically, range of f equal to y belongs to y. So y equal to f of x for some x belongs to y. Okay. So this is the definition of domain and range, and just what I explained is given in. You people can write this as a definition for domain and range. Okay. So generally we will use three type of functions, three type of functions. Let f maps A to B. What the meaning of this means? In this chapter I can say f maps A to B means f is a function from A to B. Okay. So real valued function, f sometimes called real variable function. Sometimes f is called real valued function. Sometimes f is called a real function. What situations f is called real variable function? That is important. If A is subset to R means set of real numbers. If a domain is set of real numbers, such function is called real variable function. Okay. If B is subset of R means codomain of the function is subset of R, such function is called real valued function. Real valued function. Okay. If both A comma B are subset of R, such function is called real function. Only domain is a part of real number, and codomain may be part of imaginary. Maybe pure imaginary number will exist in the codomain. Such function is called real variable function. Real valued function. So codomain is a part of real number, a subset of real number. Such function is called real valued function. Real function, both A and B are subset of R. Real function. In this chapter we will deal with only real functions. Function in sense real function. In this chapter, now onwards, I will read as function means that is a real function only. Both domain and codomain part of real numbers. Yeah, okay, student. Just now explained about function and domain and codomain, range, and everything. Okay. Image, pre-image, or sometimes inverse image. Just I want to write a definition for this. Already I explained, Nana. See here. A, B, two sets. F is a function now. Now function. A special type of relation. Functional relation. X is paired with Y. Every X is paired with a unique Y. Then that function is called, and that relation is called functional relation. Okay. Here, Y is called image of X under F, or with respect to the rule F. Symbolically you can write it as Y is equal to F of X. Y equal to F of X. Y is the image of X. Sometimes you can say functional. Y is the functional value of F at X. Okay. Next, here X is called pre-image or inverse image of Y with respect to or under F, or with respect to F. With respect to F. We can write symbolically as X is equal to F inverse of Y. Notation is important. Okay. Yes, students, next one is important one is number of functions. Number of functions. Yeah. Every function is relation, but every relation need not become a function. Observe, students, for example, this is 1, 2, 3 given here, 1, 2 given, paired, here 1, 2, 3 given, here x, y given, here 1, 2, 3 given, here x, y given. So what I can say, Nana, here, this is not a functional relation, just a relation. This is a functional relation. So this is only relation, not function. Okay. So important thing is set A equal to 1 comma 2. Set B equal to, for example, A comma B. How many relations exist from A to B? Number of relations. Number of relations from A to B. Directly have the formula, no? What is that? How many subsets exist for A cross B? Those many relations from A to B. 2 power, I think 4, that is equal to 16. 16 relations exist from A to B. All those 16 are not functions from A to B. That is important thing. One of the relation may be like this. This is one of the relation. So this is not a functional relation. One of the relation may be like this. That is not a functional relation. One of the relation may be like this. From those, among the 16, these all are relations. So these all are not functional relations. But how many of them are functional relations? That is important and difficult also. How many functional relations exist? Here A having 2 elements, B having 2 elements, then I can draw diagram, I can identify. That is not big problem. I will show you, students. I will show you. Observe, Nana. Here 1 to AB, 1 to AB, 1 to AB, 1 to AB. Okay. So 1 is paired with A, 2 is paired with B. This is one relation, one functional relation from A to B. Observe, Nana. I will write all. See here, function from A to B only. All elements of A are used up only once. This is one of the relation from the 16. That is functional relation. So 1 is paired with B and 2 is paired with A. Another relation. Another functional relation or function. Okay, students, listen, Nana. 1 is paired with A, 2 also paired with A. One relation. Functional relation or function. 1 and 2 both are paired with B. This is another function from A to B. So what happened, Nana? You are getting 4 functions from A to B. Among 16, only 4 functions, remaining 12 are only relations. Try to write, Nana, try to write. For example, you won't get another relation. Try to write 1 to AB. Try to write 1 is paired with B and 2 paired with B already is there somewhere here. So if 1 is paired with again B, this is not a function, Nana, only relation. So 1 is paired with A, already this is completed, counted. That's why just try to write as many as possible. Whatever may be, we will get only 4 functions from A to B. But how to derive a rule, how to derive a formula? Yeah, A having 2 elements, B having 2 elements, then A cross B will have 4 elements, the number of relations are 2 per 4. That is okay, that is about finding number of relations. But finding number of functions, how to find? So actually in this example, I can say that there exist 4 functions from A to B. Actual formula I will write. So how you got the formula, that we will discuss in next chapter, that is called permutation combination, Nana. Just try to accept that number of functions from set A to B. Clearly A to B is n of B power n of A. We can prove this thing no in next chapter, not now. Okay, now we need to accept this. Number of functions from set A to set B equal to n of B power n of A. N of B means here 2, no, here 2. Power n of A 2. 2 power 2 how much? 4. 4 existing. Understood? Okay. So if a equal to a comma b comma c and b equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, the number of functions from a to b equal to n of b means 4 or n of a means 3, that is 64. Yeah, 64 functions exist from a to b. How many relations means what? 4 to 12, 2 power 12 relations. Among 2 power 12, 64 are functions from a to b. Next one is the number of functions from b to a equal n of b, n of a power n of b. Now b to a, no, b to a to b means n of b power n of a, n of b power n of a for the function from a to b. Now for b to a is given, for example, what should write formula? N of a power n of b. N of a means 3, this is 4, 3 power 4, 81, therefore 81, yeah, functions exist from b to a.